Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out the Sephora Clean Me Up kit, their favorites kit. So if you want to see what's in this and if they work, then just keep watching. Sorry if my voice is weird. It's first thing in the morning and I've been trying to drink some water real quick, but I gotta get to work. So I'm like running out of filming time before I leave for our trip. So I'm just doing this first thing in the morning. Anyways, that's also why if you can hear a humming, I'm so sorry, Mike's in the shower. But anyways, this is from the Sephora kits or Sephora favorites. I decided I wanted to do like a series on my channel of trying Sephora's kits, or I think Ulta does it as well. But just trying to do like value sets, I guess, and see if they're worth it. So the first one we're gonna do is by Sephora. It's the Clean Me Up kit. So this is what it looks like. So it comes with a moisturizer by Milk, a Ilia multi-stick in Dreamer, Tarte bronzer, Kosas lip balm, a melt away makeup remover from Glow Recipe, and then a Super Goop sunscreen. I can't talk. So let's go ahead and try it. It comes in this bag. It's very washable and reusable. It feels real weird. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. I bought this because I thought it would be good for me because of traveling, to take it with me. Sorry, I haven't even done my hair yet. My straightener's on. And I really honestly wanted this and a couple of other things. So this is $30 for this value. Or for the set. It says it's valued at $83. Yeah, okay. So first thing, let's just use this. Let's use the base products. So we have the Super Goop sunscreen in SPF 40. I've heard mixed things about Super Goop. Some people really, really love it. And then I've heard some people say that they don't like it at all. I feel like I don't really have a preference. Sunscreen is sunscreen to me, but I guess obviously some can clog your pores. I don't think I'm gonna know that after one use, but oh, it's colored. I didn't know that, but there isn't shades, is there? No. It must rub out to nothing, I'm assuming. Maybe it's a glowish? Interesting. Okay. So it had a pigment, but it definitely just rubbed out to a glow. So that's nice. And it doesn't smell sunscreeny, which is really nice. Okay, I'm gonna use this Kosas lip balm in the shade Rush. This is really weird shaped. Like, how do I get it on my lips? I was kind of worried to try this because I thought it would be too dark. But honestly, it's like just slightly darker than my lips. Feels good. This is full size, it said too. I just don't like the shape. That's kind of weird. Oh, I can't try out the moisturizer. I forgot this was in here and I already moisturized. I'm sure it's good, but it's tiny. Like, I don't know. I feel like products like this, like how am I supposed to really know when it's this small? Had it been like this big, maybe then I'd be able to know if the moisturizer would be worth it to buy a full size, but I feel like when it's this little, what am I gonna do with it? And then this is the Glow Recipe makeup melt away balm. I'm gonna really quickly insert a clip of me doing this yesterday using the bronzer and the Ilia Dreamer or multi-stick, because I did it under my makeup yesterday and then today I'm gonna do it on top. So here is me doing it under my makeup yesterday. So I have my base makeup on, which really whited out my camera. This, in case you're curious, is just my absolute favorite at the moment. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I love this. Okay, let's move on and apply the bronzer. So I think I'm gonna use a sponge today. I used a brush yesterday. Also, I just remembered that the clip I got of doing this that you just saw, just applied it to my base without any makeup on, and I forgot to show what it looked like after I applied foundation. So it sat perfectly fine underneath foundation. So I guess that was more of a, here's how it looks on bare skin. Let's use a sponge, because I feel like if I use a brush, I'm gonna move my makeup too much. So we're gonna just use a sponge, because I'm so used to doing it underneath now that it's like you can overload it underneath and it's fine because you can just cover it. So we're doing it on top, so I need to be careful how much I'm putting down. This is in the shade Breezy, by the way. I'd say it's blending out pretty nicely, to be honest. I think I'm gonna leave it there. It is pretty dewy. So this bronzer I think is actually really nice. I do like it. It does blend out pretty nicely. It's also pretty like luminous, which I enjoy, but it's also a cream, so that's nice. I'd say the only downside to getting something like this in a kit is it did not have options for colors. So this is in the shade Breezy, and it works for my fair skin, which means it's not gonna work for that many people. So that's kind of a bummer. Like, why, if you're gonna do any kind of complexion in one of these kits, they need to have options of the kits so that you can get a complexion that would work for you, or at least be close enough to working for you. Okay, let's use the Ilia Dreamer. Now, I really want to just swipe this on, but that's definitely gonna move my makeup. So I think I'm just gonna use a different part of the sponge to pick it up. Whoa, and place it. I was concerned with this color because of how dark it is for, you know, my fair skin, but honestly, it's so like lightweight, not lightweight, but light in opacity. I really actually like it. But this for me is more of a fall shade, and we're getting into summer right now just because of how dark it is. But I feel like it actually probably look really nice on deeper skin tones. It's just because of how fair I am. This is more of a fall wintry shade. That is all of the products to try. Let me go ahead and finish my makeup, and then we'll come back and talk about the kit. Okay, so I have my face done now. So let's talk about this. I think it's worth the $30 because you get 2 full-size products, the lip balm and the multi-stick from Ilia. But then also I feel like the Tarte bronzer and the Super Glow Screen is worth it. As far as the like moisturizer, again, I think it's way too small to be able to see if it's gonna work for you. And then the Glow Recipe, I actually think that that should be okay because I should be able to use it a couple of times to see how it works. I think if this bronzer would work for you, then the kit is worth it. Otherwise, I don't think it's worth it because then it's not enough products to use. They definitely need to come out with different levels that you can buy for shades if they're gonna put a complexion product in here. But I do think this is worth $30 and you should pick it up. So that is all I have for this video though. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.